This brand is available at various retailers and online in the USA and Canada, but their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The MSFS models are basic heat pumps with a 16 SEER efficiency, but they use R410, a refrigerant which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R32. The units have 3 fan speeds with auto swing louvers for better air distribution throughout the room, and they have activated carbon filters to trap odors to improve the home's air quality. They have a self-cleaning mode which dries the evaporator coil to prevent mold growth and refrigerant leak detection to protect the compressor in case of loss of refrigerant. They have a turbo mode for quick heating and cooling, as well as a temperature sensing remote control for enhanced comfort. The units are very quiet in operation with indoor noise levels less than a whisper. The units can be purchased by anyone, but, for the warranty to be honored, the units must be installed by a licensed HVAC professional. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.